What's up, good people? Hope you all are doing great. And in this video, we'll talk about two simple steps that will make you rich during the Great Recession. Okay, you might be wondering how a person can become rich during a recession. Well, I'm going to explain this and teach you two simple things, only two simple things that will make you rich during this extreme bad time of economy. So please hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Step number one, save. You have to save money for the recession, and during this process, you have to keep two things in mind, only two things in mind: increase and decrease. Well, these two words, increase and decrease, will work like do's and don'ts in your saving journey. Okay, let's explain how. So, this is the list of your increase and decrease, which means do's and don'ts. First of all, you have to increase your income. In order to increase your income and earn more, you have to work real hard. So you have to increase your work and work hours. This will make you a foundation for your next step. Here comes the things you need to decrease, which means your don'ts. You have to decrease your living cost. If you are living in a big apartment and paying a big amount of rent, try to shift into a small apartment. If you are living in a city which is more expensive, house rents are very high, try to move into a small city or a town where the costs are comparatively low. Struggle of these 2-3 years will make you the wealthiest person, I promise you. You have to compromise with your lifestyle as well. Don't buy things that you don't need. Don't spend extra money on expensive restaurants. Don't buy expensive branded clothes for these a few days. Don't spend much money on vacations. I'm not a kind of person who saves all the money he earns and live a boring life. I don't suggest this to people as well, but you have to do it for a few months or years, and this will bring the opportunity to enjoy your life to the fullest in the future. So please try to decrease these things and save some extra money for the step number two. So this is the time to jump into the step number two. Step number two is investment. Yes, you heard it right. When the recession hits, all things will fall down, and this will be the best time to invest. The prices of stocks, cryptos, real estates, golds, and silvers, everything will be fallen down during the recession. People will feel the need to sell their properties, real estates, to fight this recession. The stock and crypto markets will fall down because the investors will not feel it safe to keep their money invested in the market during this great depression, and this is your time to take the entry. Remember this is your time to take the entry. You would be able to buy assets in a very lower and cheaper price during this period. You have to make good research on the market and invest. That's all. You just have to make a good research and invest your money. Keep a thing on mind: invest on things that has very good reputation and history, but now it loses its value for the ongoing recession. Keep this on mind. These are the best items to buy, whether it's a stock, crypto, house, land, or gold, or whatever it is. You will definitely see the price rally after the recession ends, and this investment will change your life forever. So take a notebook and write down these two steps. Start working on them. No one could stop you from being a wealthy and rich person at the end of recession. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.